Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to horn in your GTA San Andreas game. So to horn, firstly you need to be in the car, and after that you need to check what key bindings your horn is set to. So firstly press on escape and go to options, and then in controls press on adjust control layout. In here in vehicle scroll down a bit until you find horn. So in here my horn is set to my H keybind in my keyboard. So let me turn up my audio a bit, and if I go back in the game and I'm driving the car, if I press H on my keyboard, as you guys can see I'm holding the H and the car is honking. So that's how you guys can honk a car in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys would want us to cover, please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.